Cooking Adventures, Homemade Tuna Fish Pizza with Chris and Mom. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our multi-recipe and cookery channel. Today, we have something special in store. We're going to show you how to make a delicious homemade tuna fish pizza. We're going to take you step by step through the process, from gathering the ingredients to creating a mouth-watering pizza that you'll love. Ingredients: pizza dough, store-bought or homemade. Tomato sauce. Mozzarella cheese, shredded. Canned tuna fish, drained. Red onion, sliced. Green bell pepper, sliced. Black olives, sliced. Olive oil. Dried oregano. Salt and pepper to taste. Preparation. Step 1: Preparing the dough. To start off, let's roll out the pizza dough into our desired shape. You can make it round, rectangular, or even heart-shaped if you want. Make sure to dust the counter with a bit of flour to prevent the dough from sticking. Step 2: Adding the tomato sauce. Now it's time to add our tomato sauce. You can use a spoon to spread it evenly, leaving a little space around the edges for the crust. Step 3: Building the toppings. Let's start with the shredded mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle it all over the tomato sauce. Next, we'll add our canned tuna fish. Make sure it's drained well before placing it on the pizza. Now, let's add some sliced red onion for a nice kick of flavor. And of course, our green bell pepper slices for a fresh crunch. Don't forget the black olives. They add a lovely contrast. Step 4: Seasoning and baking. To enhance the flavors, let's drizzle a bit of olive oil over the toppings. Mom, sprinkle some dried oregano for that classic pizza aroma. Chris, and a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Now, our pizza is ready for the oven. Step 5: Baking and enjoying. Chris and Mom taking the golden brown pizza out of the oven. Our homemade tuna fish pizza is ready. Look at that crispy crust and melty cheese. Let it cool for a minute before slicing, Chris and Mom enjoying a slice of pizza. And there you have it, folks. A scrumptious tuna fish pizza made right at home. It's not only delicious but also a fun activity to do together. Remember, you can customize your pizza with other toppings you love. Chris and Mom holding their slices of pizza. Thanks for joining us on this cooking adventure. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tasty creations. And if you make this pizza, be sure to tag us on social media. We'd love to see your homemade masterpieces. Until next time, happy cooking! Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Scene fades out as Chris and Mom continue enjoying their pizza.